Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St. Thomas. This is the southern coastal highway that's being built. It is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica. Now recently Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, was sworn in for the fourth time. And during his speech, he stated that he's going to make infrastructure a priority for his new government. Now, this road was started under his previous administration, or his previous tenure as prime minister, I should say. And he is committed to continuing the build out of infrastructure in Jamaica. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. When Andrew Holness was sworn in for his third consecutive term as Prime Minister on September 16, 2025, the tone of his address was one of ambition, urgency, and continuity. Far from treating his renewed mandate as a time for celebration alone, Holness declared that there is much more to build and I am here to build it. Central to this declaration was the theme of infrastructure. The infrastructure of growth that he defined as essential to unlocking Jamaica's economic destiny. Holness framed infrastructure not as a series of projects but as the very foundation on which all other aspects of national development depend. He listed highways, ports, energy grids, digital systems, and real estate as core pillars. By describing these as infrastructure of growth, he underscored their enabling role in driving commerce, investment, and opportunity. Highways improve the flow of people and goods. Ports expand Jamaica's reach into global trade. Energy systems fuel industry and households. And digital infrastructure empowers both modern government services and the creative industries. He often cites as key to Jamaica's identity. This framing also reflects a broader vision of infrastructure. Infrastructure is not simply about physical structures, but about national competitiveness. Holness understands that without world-class systems of connectivity and reliability, Jamaica cannot seize opportunities in logistics, tourism, manufacturing, or digital commerce. One striking feature of the speech was Holness's insistence that his government's previous investments were only the beginning. While acknowledging that progress has been made in housing, road networks, and community development, he dismissed the notion that his work was complete. Instead, he argued that his third term must be about acceleration and expansion, ensuring that Jamaica reaches a new threshold of modernity. The speech conveyed urgency. Infrastructure gaps are legacy issues that have slowed development for decades, and his administration is determined to address them decisively. Holness also highlighted inclusivity, stressing that infrastructure must benefit all Jamaicans. Andrew Holness's swearing-in speech firmly placed infrastructure development at the heart of his third-term agenda. By declaring his commitment to highways, ports, digital systems, energy, and housing, he signaled a continuation of large-scale national transformation projects with a sharpened focus on inclusivity and competitiveness. The speech portrayed infrastructure not as mere construction, but as a very framework for Jamaica's growth, resilience, and global relevance. If his words are matched by execution, this new term could mark a defining chapter in Jamaica's journey toward becoming a modern and prosperous society. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.